Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Alicia. Welcome back to our channel. Look, I really wanted to try something different. A lot of you guys have been like, all your units look the same, try something different. I even had some people tell me to try Pixie cut. And I finally got one. So I picked up this unit from OMGQueen. So if you're interested in this unit or any of the products that I'm going to be using throughout the video, definitely check the description box down below where everything's going to be linked. But this is OMGQueen's Pixie Cut Curly 8-inch invisible lace front unit. It does have 13 by 6 inches of parting space, the adjustable straps and combs on the inside in case you don't want to glue it down. But this is how the unit looks directly out of the box. You guys can see that curly texture. It does need some zhuzhing, so I'm going to have fun styling up this unit. Let me know how you guys would wear this one if you had it. I'm curious to know. But this unit does feature their kinky curly edges, and again it does have that parting space with the bleached knots and pre-plucked hairline so that it is good and ready to go. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and kind of get this hair nice and clean. I use my silicone mix products, and this is how the hair now looks. You guys can see those curly edges, so what I'm going to do is brush them out because we're not going to be walking around with BDBs. Okay, so I brush them out and I'm just playing around with that parting space so that I can look nice and clean. I am using a bit of mousse to get those curls to pop. You guys can see how it is looking now. I also like to use my detangling brush and more water just to make the hair look nice and maintain. And I'm also going to take a bit of my gel to get those edges to look nice and laid. Again, I don't want to remove the texture of the edges, but I do want to remove the BDBs, okay? We don't want those. So this is how it looks. The edges are still textured, the hair is nice and full, and those curls are popping. I'm going to go ahead and get this lace cut off and get the unit on.
Stop it. She gon' drop it. Got a pillow, baby, shawty from the tropics. Oh, I got a little bit my violet, shawty, she my problem. Oh, and if you ever got him, baby, I'ma solve him, baby. Yo, fine, not trying to waste your time. She said, I need you in my life. Girl, I can't reach your mind. I think I'm running out of time. I wonder what you think sometimes. I wonder if you lie. But if you do, just save my life.
Okay, so I have the unit on and I am so curious about this style. I've never had anything this short. I do love the clear lace that this unit does offer. For those of you guys who don't want to adhere it down, you don't have to because the blend is A1. But what I'm going to do is adhere the unit down by using my Got2b freeze hold spray. I'm just going to apply a thin layer of that on my forehead, blow dry it down, and do a few rounds with it. And then I like to slowly maneuver the lace on top of that. It's going to stick down. The adhesives with this is really good. Also, I'm going to take my melting band and place that on top and further blow it down and then remove it, and you guys can see what the melt down looks like. Personally, for me, I didn't want baby hairs with this style. However, if this is your thing, definitely add some baby hairs. I do like to take this Ebin tinted spray and spray a bit of it on top of the lace. Even though the lace is clear, I just want it to blend right into my complexion seamlessly. Now I'm going to take a bit of my concealer just to define that parting space to make it pop a little. And I'm going to go in and just further manipulate those curls so that I can get the unit to look the way that I want it to look, and also trim off a few of those extra pieces in the back. And this is what we are working with, y'all. Let me know, like, is this your style? Is this your get down? Like, this is super cute. I think it's very mature. I feel like it's making me look a bit older, so I do like the style on this one. Those curls are popping. Of course, you can use gel on the unit to give it more of a sleek look. I thought about doing something like that, but I went ahead and kept it curly in this bob like state. And here are the angles. Again, this unit is 8 inches long, 180% density, I believe. And yeah, those curls are super defined. Just doing a wash and go is perfect for this unit, and those edges are looking so natural. Again, y'all, this comes from OMGQueen. I do have a coupon if you're interested. Let me know what you guys think of this style, and I'll catch you later. Bye, guys.
You know that you fun with me.